Well, it's early on a Monday morning, 4:48. As we go through the day today, we should have some developing showers, some mixed rain snow, and maybe brief wet snow. And the farther west-northwest you happen to be, the better the chance of having mixed to snow pretty quick. There's Manhattan. There's a look at downtown Topeka with the state capitol and Jayhawk Tower. And of course, we have darkness for quite some time. Well past 7 o'clock, sunrise almost at 7:45 right now. But the time change is on Sunday, and that's going to throw some daylight earlier. So 39 degrees, the dew point at 28. It's chilly, it's very dry, and there's your north to northwest wind at roughly 10 to 15 miles per hour. So this shaded area represents where there could be at least some snow as we go through the late day and early evening. I think any farther south and east, it's all going to kind of melt on impact or stay as cold rain. And we already have some snow developing out here toward Goodland and Colby, more up here toward Nebraska, out toward Colorado, and that should gradually kind of cross the state, and we should see our moisture content increase just a bit. But we're so dry in the lower levels that a lot of this going toward lunchtime and toward 3 and 4 will be sort of evaporating as it comes down through that dry air. There's the northerly wind going at 13 for Marysville, 15 in Lawrence, 16 down toward Burlington. It will be a breezy and cold day today. Here's how it feels outside. 25 Concordia, 28 in Junction City, and 30 at Hiawatha. So it is time for hats, gloves, and your winter coat. And well ahead of the front, we have some 40s and 50s. Back behind it, though, we have single digits and some teens. And so much colder across the Intermountain West as wintertime kind of rears its ugly head. And this is the disturbance coming through the Central Rockies that has a chance to give us some mix and snow today. And then what's kind of diving down toward Montana, that's what's going to kind of set up across the Rockies and then move our way for Wednesday. And that certainly gives us a much bigger chance for snow at that time. So what we'll deal with this morning, some cloudiness, might break up just a little bit, but for the most part, we're going to get socked in. We should have some developing rain and mix as the day goes on. Now, this is for early evening, and there could be some mix and snow, especially north and northwest of Shawnee County. And then once we go through the overnight, that leaves pretty quickly. So it looks like between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m., the likely time to have rain, mix, or snow. And then tomorrow, kind of going partly sunny, and then we'll have moisture come up from the south. We'll have the energy come in from out west, and that will give us the bigger chance for snow as we go through the day Wednesday. So for today, 35 at 7, 43 midday, then becoming colder with precipitation beginning. And then in the outlook, we've got a cool day on Tuesday at 45, the mix to snow Wednesday, and that could be all snow for some. A little early on projections right now, but there is a chance to see at least 1 to 3, I think, as we go through the day Wednesday. And then by Halloween, that will shut off, and it looks like we'll get some clearing as we go through the day. But by trick-or-treat time, we're looking at maybe 28 to 30 degrees. Kids need to get out as early as they can on Thursday afternoon and, of course, bundle up, and you can certainly layer underneath the costume. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it looks much, much better. Sunshine for the most part running through Friday, and the weekend we'll have the temperatures gradually climb with 40s on Friday and Saturday, low to mid-50s on Sunday.